and cut the mangoes as shown. Put them in a pan. Add water. Now add ginger and black peppercorn. Cover and cook. Until mangoes are soft. Let the mangoes cool, then blend to a fine puree with soaked fennel seeds, sugar and then strain. In the same mixer, blend mint with some water. Add it to the puree with salt and cardamom powder. Mix well. Crush can be stored in refrigerator for up to 3 days. To serve, take equal quantity of crushed and chilled water, mix well. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.